Did you really go to a Filipino party if you didn't have puto? These fluffy Filipino steamed rice cakes take only 15 minutes to steam, and you don't even need to have a steamer. Start by combining all-purpose flour or rice flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. All-purpose flour is convenient because you probably already have it in your pantry, and it creates a bouncier, slightly firmer puto. Rice flour, on the other hand, creates a lighter, more airy puto. Whisk together egg, coconut milk, vanilla extract, and melted butter. Combine it with the dry ingredients. Don't overmix, especially if you're using all-purpose flour. Otherwise, your puto will turn tough. Ladle the batter into lightly oiled mini silicone molds. I'm using a bamboo steamer, but you can create a makeshift steamer at home. Super easy. Just use a ring of foil or a wire rack, then place a heat-proof plate on top. You can grab all the details in the blog post in the description below, but you'll just need to steam in multiple batches since you can't stack it like in a bamboo steamer. Cover and steam for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. If you want to add cheese, and the correct answer is always yes, turn off the heat, add slices of cheese, and cover and let the residual heat melt the cheese, like it'll melt away your problems. Look how beautiful these came out! In only 15 minutes, you've channeled your inner Lola. What's your favorite party food? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next recipe.